We got some weather out there. It looks kind of nasty out there, but we're tucked inside Copa Shed Marina. It's pretty calm in here.
Big waves dashing on the rocks over there too. You can't see them without the binoculars, but you can see them.
It looks nasty out there.
Yeah, it's nasty out there.
We left Vanuatu to escape cyclone season. We made it to Fiji and as far north as Savu. Here we are protected from the storms, although we're getting plenty of rain. Our water maker still needs parts. Besides, the water inside here gets muddy with a lot of floating debris, so we set up a rain catchment system.
Nice, fresh, clean rainwater right from the Savu skies.
While our yacht was safe from cyclones, our home was not so lucky. Vanuatu was ravaged by storms since we left, and then, on March 1st, Cyclone Judy, a Category 4 cyclone, struck a direct hit on Wednesday. Then on Friday, 2 days later, March 3rd, Cyclone Kevin, just shy of a Category 5, smashed into Vanuatu again. We actually felt the effects of Cyclone Kevin in Fiji, but we were far enough north that it was only a bad storm. It wasn't yet safe to head home, and we didn't have a weather window to travel to a safer northern latitude, but it did look like we had a 2 to 3 day window to peek out and have an adventure. Fiji is an island nation with over 330 islands, about a third of which are permanently inhabited. The islands are mostly volcanic, about 150 million years old. There is still geothermal activity on Vanuatu in Savu and Taveuni, where we are headed. Taveuni last erupted in 1550. Because of the old age of the Fiji Islands, there's been time for expansive barrier and fringing reefs to become well established, great for diving, hard to navigate by boat.
What did that say? Can't quite see it. It says 2.4 nautical miles to go to Paradise. That's the name of this place, Paradise on Taveuni Island. Here, I'll get a picture of me. Driving the boat. Actually, I'm not driving the boat. I'm just riding here in the captain's chair while the autopilot drives the boat. But we're getting close to a spot where we can have a nice swim.
Yay, swim! Taveuni, the third largest island in Fiji, is home of Rainbow Reef, one of the most famous dive sites in the South Pacific, known as the soft coral capital of the world. Welcome to Paradise.
I know, I saw the sign. You know it's Paradise, because it said so right on the sign.
We were hoping to be able to spend a couple of days playing in Taveuni and stopping for a night in front of Cousteau's resort. But the weather changed and we once again were forced to head for our hidey hole. Ah, the sweet sound of sailing, no engines. Look at the color of that water. Wow.
So the light will be right under here somewhere. Yeah, I think the light will go there really well, actually. That way it won't catch on anything and nobody can step on it. Go right in under here like that. It's really wet around there. Okay.
It was time to install new running lights.
Not on there, but you're gonna need a needle nose or something. It's way up in there. It was way up in there anyway, but. Okay, we're going to open the wires right here. I'll put some flux. Pretty hot now. Okay. So Manson and I got the dinghy going. It now sports a Johnson 8 horsepower, and that actually works. So it'll make our exploration a little more fun. This one unfortunately let us down.
The new outboard was great, but the dinghy did have a leak. Did I mention it had a leak? So we traded it in for a newer dinghy. Our new used car, huh? Look at the inside, it's bone dry.
It's not bone dry because we were in the waves over there on the beach.
Okay, well, not bone dry, but it's not a lake inside.
No, exactly. It's actually a pretty nice little boat.
We still haven't named our new dinghy. Leave your suggestions in the comments.
Looks like the wind will continue to shift through the night. Predict wind says this is 3 knots. It's actually 10. Our anchorage might get a little windy in the morning. It'll be protected when we first get there. But as the wind clocks around, it says it's mud bottom, so we don't have anything to worry about. And then we'll have to get out and around this next point tomorrow. And by tomorrow evening, we'll be all the way out of the wind line before it picks up to 20 to 25 knots again. So 20 knots doesn't sound bad if you're out in the open ocean, but when you're navigating through reefs, it can be a little bit hairy. More later.
Join us next time when we thread our way through narrow reef passages to the top of Fiji. Please like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you don't miss any action.
I think our kayak is jealous of our new dinghy because he keeps trying to crowd him out, and then he bangs into the hole. And I scooted over to the other side of the hole where it belongs, and come back here, and there it is again, trying to scoot the new dinghy out of the way.